Hi guys, in this lesson I'll be talking about backward approach of shading. What's backward approach of shading? In these type of questions you are given with a shaded Venn diagram and you are supposed to write down set notation. In the shading question you are given with set notations and you are supposed to shade. Here it's backward. How will you solve such questions? Guys, there is no trick to solve these questions. You need to use your brain, you need to think and solve. There is no other way. But you can recheck your answer, and that's how you will be sure whether you have answered correctly or not. So let's begin. You can clearly see in this question A is shaded and B is not shaded. And the part of A that's in B, that's also not shaded. So if I use my brain, I think my answer should be A intersection B complement. So that's what I've observed. Now what's the next part? Recheck your answer. How do you do that? What's written first, guys? A. And there is an intersection sign. What did I teach you in shading? Write letters in the first thing. That's A. Then intersection B complement. Other than B, guys, write numbers. So what's the area where numbers and letters are involved? This one. We're going to erase the rest. And I can see now the same area is shaded that was given in the question for the answer which I just taught. Did you get this, guys? Let's do question number 2. You'll be more clear. Now it says this one. You can see that M is not shaded, but N is shaded. So you're going to write, if you think it's going to be M complement intersection N. But I'm not sure about my answer. How will you handle that? Guys, in M complement, I'm going to write what? Letters. In N, I'm going to write what? Numbers. So what's the area which include number and letters? The same area that was given in the question. Now I'm sure about my answer. To get to this one. If you see part C, it's really simple. All area other than A and B, which means it's going to be A union B complement. This was really simple. You get till this point. Let's practice more. This one is same. It's going to be बच्चे क्या P union Q complement. Now let's do bit complicated question. If you see this question, guys, I can see A union B intersection C. That's what I have thought. But I'm still not sure about my answer because it includes part of C and it includes most of the part of A and B. So let's recheck. A, B, C, D, E, F. In the first part, I wrote letters. In the next part, I'm writing numbers. So what's the area where there are both numbers and this one? The area given in the question and area which you are getting right now, if they are same, that means you have answered correctly. Let's practice more. Here, if you see this question, I can clearly see that entire A is shaded, union B intersection C. I'm still not sure about my answer, so let's see. A means entire A, which I did show. And here it's union. In union, what's written after union? B intersection C, which means this part. So your shaded area and the shaded area given in the question, if they both are same, that means you have answered correctly. Got this, guys? Let's practice more. Here I can see Q complement intersection P union R because the shaded region is outside Q but inside P and R. But I'm not sure of my answer. How will I check? Q complement means everything other than Q. So I wrote letters. Intersection P union R means what? Entire P and entire R. So my shaded region is this one. And you're going to erase the rest. Now if you can see, the shaded region and the shaded region you got and the shaded region given in the question was same. Let's move to next question. This is the last question we'll be doing. I can see it's everything outside R. So R complement. Intersection P intersection R. That's what I can see, that P intersection Q. Because the shaded region is in the middle of P and Q, but it's outside R. Let's recheck. How will you recheck, guys? What's R complement? Everything other than R. So I wrote letters in that. What's P intersection? This and this one. So guys, what's the area that include P intersection Q intersection R complement? This one. And the area that was given in the question was also the same. That means you have answered correctly. So that's how you deal with backward approach of shading questions. So we're going to end our lesson here. Till then, take care guys. Allah Hafiz.